In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted transactions in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, you actually have two ways. The first one is going to be to go to the Reports menu up top, and then in here you can go to Accountant and Taxes down here, and you want to look for Audit Trail, okay? So you want to click on that, and then you can go and customize the report over here to actually put in dates and stuff like this. And of course, here you can set the date range when the transaction was originally deleted or entered. Now, whenever you do that, you can then look through the list of items and then double click to view the history of a specific items and then details so you can re-enter it. So for example, you can double click it and it's going to show you like this, okay? That's the first way. The second one is going to be to again go to Reports menu and then Accountant and Taxes, and here you have voided/deleted transactions summary and detail. So you can click on, for example, summary over here, and it's going to show you the summary of your deleted transactions, and yet again you can just double click on them, and in here you can basically view the details of those deleted transactions. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.